Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD after FOMC. We were expecting some crazy moves, but we got mixed response from the market. Right now, gold is standing at 1990 or 1920. This is the current market price. If you look at the news, then you can see gold flat. Investors await US data for Fed's rate cues. ADP June national employment data at 12:15 GMT. Weekly initial jobless claims due at 12:30 GMT. So many news coming up. If you look at the economic calendar, you can see that we have a long list of events. So my dear friends, please be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news, because there may be some unexpected spikes and your stop loss may get hit. So market will be volatile, very volatile, so please be careful. Okay, and if you look at the chart of DXY, then yes, DXY showed some upside right after FOMC, but you can see that DXY is still struggling. The dollar index is still struggling to cross the resistance here. The resistance of 103.50 to 103.60. And we can see that right now DXY is standing at 103.34. To continue the upside, to go for a trend reversal, DXY will have to cross this level here. Then only we can consider that finally trend reversal has come. Otherwise, DXY will remain sideways. DXY will remain choppy as long as it is staying inside the range here. Right now, the range of DXY is 103.50 to 60 to 102.70. This is the range of DXY, and DXY needs to cross 103.50 to 60 to continue the upside. Let's wait and watch whether DXY succeeds in breaking the resistance or not. So this will be very important. Now let's look at the chart of gold. You can see that I have drawn many lines here. You can see few new lines on the chart. So let's try to understand these levels one by one. So first of all, let's talk about the level of 1914. Yesterday gold made a low of 1913 to 19. Sorry, yesterday gold made a low of 1915, 1914.5 to 1915. This was the low made by gold yesterday. After that, gold has shown some recovery. More or less, gold, you can say that gold has bounced from the FIBO 50% retracement here. So today, if gold breaks 1914 level, we can look for a quick sell. Listen to me carefully. If gold breaks 1914 level during the day before news, we can look for a quick sell, and we need to exit around 1911 to 1912. We need to exit around 1911, 1912 because 1911 to 1912 is the next support. Why next support? Because you can see market is respecting Fibonacci here. So Fibonacci is working here. As a result, the same Fibonacci will be working again, isn't it? So around 1911, okay, we need to exit from a sell position because we have FIBO 61.8% retracement around 1909. And because of previous price rejection around this area, 1912. This green box is a support zone because of previous price rejection as well as FIBO 61.8% retracement level. If we combine both the factors, then we can see that this is a good support zone where we can expect a bounce of at least 50 pips in the market. So during the day before news, if gold comes, you can look for a sell below 1914. Try to exit quickly around 1911, 1912 because market will be hitting the next support of 1909 to 1911, 1912. 1911, 1909, 1911 is a good support zone in the market because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level as well as previous price rejection around this area. And market is respecting FIBO beautifully. As a result, we can expect that FIBO 61.8 will work because FIBO 61.8 is a better level, isn't it? So if market comes down, then we need to trade in this way. Okay, on the other hand, we have some resistance. Okay, resistance around 1922.50 to 1924.50. This is the next resistance on the chart of gold here, because of again FIBO. Again we are drawing FIBO, but this time we are drawing FIBO from the top portion of the chart here. Why? Let me show you. Because you can see here, when market hit FIBO 23.6%, there was some minor price rejection, market faced some selling pressure, and market went down to 1916. So it was a trade of almost 30 pips. So FIBO 23.6 is working, has worked once. So you can definitely expect that FIBO 38.2 will also work, isn't it? And we also can see that previously there was some minor support around this area. So as a result, definitely the previous support will be working as resistance, and along with that we also have FIBO 23.6, sorry, FIBO 38.2, as well as FIBO 50% retracement level. This is a good resistance zone on the chart of gold for day traders before the news. So if market goes up during the day and market reverses from this particular level here, at least we can expect a sell position of 20 to 30 pips, because FIBO 38.2, FIBO 50 is a much better level, far better level in comparison to FIBO 23.6% retracement level. And if you're wondering about proper resistance, then the resistance level of 1937 to 1940 that we have been discussing for the last couple of days is still very much valid. On the chart of gold, in case during the European session market shows extreme volatility, then obviously 1937, 1940 is the level where you can expect strong sellers to be present, and you can look for some sell position if market reverses. But on the other hand, if market does not show extreme volatility, then we can obviously look for some sell position around this area of the market. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold before the news. And my dear friends, thanks a lot for such an overwhelming response. The Hindi workshop has started from yesterday. English workshop is starting from day after tomorrow. So if you're still interested, okay, I will not be speaking about a workshop. You can simply check out the link in the description box, because this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. If you're still interested to sign up for the English session that is starting from 8, you can definitely sign up. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website. Feel free to watch the video on the description box. Bye bye, take care, do not gamble.